children? Housing. And clothing. What is meant by housing and what is meant by clothing here? Yes, do you know house? Why do we need house? Yes, tell me. House. Why do we need house? Yes. House protect us from rain, sun, cold, and some strangers and some wild animals. Isn't it? Yes. A house is a place where we live, and house protect us from sun, rain, cold, wild animals, some windstorms, all this. Yes? So we need a house. Do you know that house is made by different types of materials? Yes? What are the materials used to build a house? Yeah. See here, in villages we can see hut. Yes? Did you see any kind of huts? How it look like? Yes, it is made up of wood, straw, mud, some sticks. Are they permanent? Yes? Yeah. If there is a heavy wind or heavy rain, the hut which was built with the mud may get destroyed. Yes? Now, see once around you how your house look like. Yes, it is made up of some other materials. What are they? Brick, cement, iron. Brick, cement, iron, etc. This house is permanent, is a strong house, or this type of house is a strong house? Hut or this house? Yeah, this house is very strong. Yes, so we call it as a pakka house. What we call? Pakka. P-U-C-C. P-U-C-C-K. Pakka house. It is very strong house. Okay? This type of house we call as a kacha house. K-U-T-C-H-A. Kacha house. So, kacha house is made with wood, straw, mud, sticks, some other things, but it is not strong. And pakka house is made with brick, cement, iron. It is very strong. Okay? And like this. Okay. Now next thing, how many types of houses do we have? Do you know? Yes, we have so many different types of houses. Among them, in this NSO, we can learn only some. Okay. First of all, the types of houses are divided into two types: permanent house, temporary house. Can you tell the examples of permanent house? See here, now you want to go from Khammam to Warangal, or Khammam to Delhi, or Khammam to America, or Khammam to Hyderabad. Are you taking your house with you and going to other places? Can you take your home from one place to another? No, we cannot move our home from one place to another. It is permanent here. The house is permanent in this particular place. We cannot move the house from one place to another. We call it as a permanent place, permanent house. What we call? Permanent house. The house which move from one place to another. Can you tell the examples? Do you know tent? Yes. In movies you can see, if they are moving from one place to another, they place a tent at one place and they stay at the night in the tent, and again morning they will take off the tent tent and they move from one place to another. And you know example of boat house? Yes, boat house also temporary house. Tent. Do you know caravan? Yes. Caravan, it look like a home. It is a bus. It is a bus, but inside everything will be. They will move from one place to another. Okay? And mostly example of temporary house which move from one place to another is, do you know exhibition? Did you went for exhibition anytime? Yes. Where they come from? They will move from one place to another. After completion of the exhibition in the Kama, they will take all the things and they will move from one place to another. Yes or no? They are temporary houses. Okay? So, types of houses are two types. One is temporary house and next one is permanent house. Next one is temporary. So, these are the types of houses. And do you know, we have special houses. Can anyone tell? They are very special. Yes. Did you see the house which was built on the water? Yes, see here, the place where there is a heavy rainfall. In that places, the houses will not build on the ground. They build with the help of sticks. Okay, they take the support of the sticks and the house will be made up of wood. Okay, why? Because there is a heavy rainfall. If they build on the ground, the water may go into their house. So they use support of the sticks. That type of house we call as a stilt house. S-T-I-L-T, stilt house. We call this house as a special house. Okay? Another special house is igloo. Did you see anytime igloo in Kama? Okay, not only in Kama, Hyderabad, somewhere other places? No, we cannot see igloos here. Then where we can see igloos? We can find igloos in cold places. Yes? Yeah. So, how it is made up of? It is made up of snow. Isn't it? Yes. Bricks of snow. Our igloos will be like this. Yes? So, bricks of snow. Igloo. So, we have learned about different types. First of all, different materials used for the house are hut. We use wood, straw, mud and sticks. It is a very delicate house, not strong. But the houses which we call it as a kacha house. What we call kacha house, which is not strong. And the house which is strong we call as a pakka house. Okay? Bricks which we made with bricks, cement and iron. Very strong house. And we also learned about different types of houses. Permanent house and temporary house. Permanent house means the house which we live and we cannot move from one place to another. Temporary house means the place which we move from one place to another. Example tent, caravan, houseboat, all this. Okay? And also we have learned about special houses. We have some special houses like stilt house and also igloo. Stilt house is made with the wooden poles. Okay, see here wooden poles. Mainly we can see in rainy places. The place which gets every time rain. Okay, in that places we can see this type of houses. And igloo we can see in the ice place mainly. It is built with bricks of snow. Okay children, this is the topic about house. Now coming to the clothes. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of clothes here? our clothes. Yes, according to the season means in summer which type of clothes we wear? In winter, when it is raining, yeah. Fast. You don't know all this? Summer, cotton clothes. Winter, umbrella, raincoat, etc. Oh, sorry. Rainy area, we use umbrella and raincoat. In winter, woolen clothes. Yeah. Why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Why? Because it is very hot, so that the cotton cloth will absorb the sweat easily. And why do we use umbrella and raincoats? Because not to get wet to our body. And why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Yes, it is very cool if we wear the cotton clothes, woolen clothes like sweater, socks, jackets, all this, we won't get cool to our body. Yes, children? Yes, this is about different types of houses, materials used for the houses, and clothing. Okay, all this. And also, I have forgot to tell, we have learned about house now. How many rooms do we have in our house? Yes, we have different types of rooms in our house. What are they? Living room, bedroom, kitchen, and dining room, all this. What do we do in the kitchen room? We cook food. What do we do in the living room? We watch TV or study. What do we do in the dining room? To eat the meals. And what do we do in the bedroom? We sleep. I think you all know all this, yes? Now tell me, how many types of roofs a house have? House. Some houses look roof like this. Yes? Some house look roof like this. Yes? Some are slope, some are flat. Yes? So, why they are like this type of houses will be mainly in rainy places. If you go to Kerala, all houses will be like this top roof. Why? Because if the rain comes, the water will fall down like this. And in our place, we don't have much rainfall. So, our house is flat. Okay? So, this is the topic about housing and clothing. In online classes,